Hello mga Kuya Mon! Ngayong araw nga pala at tayo'y nandito sa Camp Palo Bandera upang mag-facilitate ng isang team building activity. Kaya samahan niyo ko at ating panuuring sabay-sabay ang mga pangyayari sa araw na ito. Huwag din kalimutang mag-subscribe at samahan ako sa aking mga gawain. Tara, simulan na natin! Ang Camp Palo Bandera nga pala ay located sa Sitio Palo Bandera ng Barangay Santa Ana, Calatagan, Batangas. And Camp Palo Bandera is an up-and-coming military-themed campsite with air-conditioned bunkhouses and rentable campsites with air-conditioned bunkhouses and rentable camping kits. At meron dito mga swimming pool, mess hall, bonfires, and grilling station. At marami pang pwedeng gawing activity dito tulad ng team building activity. Para sa perfect getaway niyong magbabarkada, pamilya o magkakaibigan, tara na sa Camp Palo Bandera. Magandang umaga po sa ating lahat. Mahilig sa Raymond Villesan sa pero tawagin na lang po kung Kuya Mon for today.
We are pretty, we are hot, we are everything you're not. Go Team Ready! Tabi-tabi kayo, dahan-dahan kami. We are Ma!
Ang first activity natin is the tallest and strongest tower. So isa itong indoor game. Ang mga participant, they work together in small groups habang nakikipag-compete with other teams sa paggagawa ng isang tower, and they choose their own designs to create a stronger straw towers using sa kanilang mga available resources na ibinigay sa kanila. So bawat team ay binigyan ng plastic straw at masking tape, at sa pamamagitan nito, dito nila gagawin ang kanilang naisip na design o konsepto ng paggagawa ng isang tower.
Ng tower namin, doble siya.
So with the first activity, they learn how to determine the problem, planning, creating, testing, evaluating, and improving kung ano nga ba ang dapat nilang improve within their team or company. At ang next activity naman nila is yung memory wall, which is ang ating objective dito is yung deeper formation ng kanilang relationship within the team. This team building activity is excellent at sparking conversation and having people reminisce about the positive times they've shared together. It also encourages the formation of deeper team bonds as team members will feel a sense of joy and happiness related to the positive times. At syempre, meron din tayong mga outdoor activities tulad ng towel relay race and balloon fight na kung saan dito natin tinetest ang kanilang multitasking skills and also their team spirit. As we wrap up their team building experience, hindi lang sila natuto kung paano ma-strengthen ang kanilang bonds, but also natutunan din nila ang importansya ng collaboration and trust. At hindi din tayo nagpahuli, sinubukan din natin ang ilan sa mga obstacle course dito sa Camp Palo Bandera. Maraming salamat Camp Palo Bandera for having me as your team facilitator with this team building activity.